kind of just have to roll with it. And that's what happens when we break out of our routines. And we need both. We need both. We need to feel regulated and grounded most of the time. But if we get stuck there and we're rigid to the point where we're afraid to travel, we're afraid to go do something kind of out of the ordinary, that's not living, right? We want to be able to do both. And I've had a lot of crazy experiences in my adult life where I was taken out of my routine. I was taken out of my comfort zone. And I think it's healthy to do this at times because this is what strengthens our nervous system. This is also what rewires the neural pathways in our brains so that we can think in new ways. We have new perspectives on things. Every time I go on a trip, even if it's just to the coast or a road trip, I always gain something. There's some sort of insight that I learn about myself or about life or a new idea that I have.